Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for smart, honest product reviews. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best portable booster seat travel foldable currently available on the market, the Hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. Whether you're headed to grandma's, the beach, a weekend camping trip, or just need a handy solution at the dining table, this seat packs a serious punch when it comes to versatility and convenience. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice: portability. The OmniBoost folds down compactly and expands easily without the usual struggle. It's lightweight, and it even comes with a shoulder carry bag, making it incredibly travel-friendly. From sandy beaches to grassy parks, this thing goes wherever your toddler goes. Now, once it's set up, what's really impressive is its comfort and safety. It has a well-designed, ergonomic restraint harness that gently secures your baby, even those little escape artists. It's firm but cozy, and parents will love the fact that the buckles can be released using just one hand. That's a lifesaver when you're multitasking during mealtime. Of course, babies are adorable little mess machines, and Hiccapop knows it. The booster seat features a removable fabric cover that slides right off for a toss in the washing machine. Crumbs, spills, spaghetti sauce, no problem. Wipe down what you can, then give it a proper wash when you get home. Next up is one of its standout features, the removable swivel tray. It's dishwasher safe and BPA free, giving you peace of mind with every meal. The swivel function makes getting your baby in and out of the seat a breeze. And when they're ready to join the adults at the table, simply remove the tray and strap the booster directly to a kitchen chair. Now let's talk about stability, because safety comes first. The OmniBoost comes with clever, duck feet attachments. These help distribute weight evenly and prevent tipping, especially on softer surfaces like sand or grass. It's a small detail with a big impact, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Dimensions-wise, the seat is compact but roomy enough for toddlers. It measures about 15.6 inches wide and 7 inches deep, weighing just over 4 pounds. That makes it easy to carry and store without sacrificing comfort for your child. The look is sleek too. The slate gray color is modern, gender neutral, and fits in anywhere from your kitchen to your campsite. Plus, you're supporting a small business with this purchase, which always feels good. With over 26,000 ratings and an average score of 4.8 stars, the Hiccapop OmniBoost clearly isn't just popular, it's trusted by thousands of families. It's a rare find that combines thoughtful design, safety, portability, and durability in one affordable package. So if you're a parent on the move or just want a clutter-free, functional solution for home use, the OmniBoost should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more helpful product breakdowns. Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.